Hi, I'm Michael from Orthopro, and this is our Digitizer. I've just got through taking a great cast of our patient, and now I want to put it into our computer system, our CAD/CAM design, to be able to make adjustments and keep that record on computer in order to continue to serve the patient. And the way this works is the Digitizer, we set our cast in here and just tighten up the clamp and then raise the arm on the Digitizer, insert the probe, and off we go. And as it's going along, there's a sensor inside that's copying the inside of this cast in this case. Or if it was a socket that we wanted to save, it would copy the inside of the socket. And then once it's done, the arm will return, and then we'll send the file to our computer and make the modifications that are necessary. That's it. It only takes a few minutes for this to complete the process. The file is saved in our system so we can reference it when we need to. If we can help you, please call us or visit our website.